Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you are looking to develop discipline in trading and start seeing better result, you are in the right place. And in today's video, I'll talk you through 8 simple steps that can completely change your trading game. Now, I know trading can sometimes feel like a roller coaster, but stick with me till the end of this video. And I promise following this step will put you on the path of success. Whether you are using the Grow app or any platform, these tips are easy to follow and you will start seeing the difference in your mindset and your traders. Let's dive in. Set clear goals. Okay, first thing first, set clear goals. When you are clear about what you want, it's much easier to stay disciplined. Do you want to make quick profits or focus on long term growth? On Grow, you can set up a personalized goal like saving Rupiah 1 lakh in next 2 years. This will help keep you focused on discipline throughout your trading journey. And step 2, create a trading plan. Without a plan, you are just guessing. A good plan includes the type of stock to buy, when to buy, and most importantly, when to sell. For example, if you are looking at Reliance, decide upfront your buy price, your target, and your stop loss. By having a clear plan, you avoid emotional decision and stick to your strategy. And third point, use a stop loss to control emotions. Now, this step is a game changer. Use a stop loss orders. This is key to controlling your emotions while trading. Here's how it works. So, let's say you are buying TCS at 3500 rupees. If the price falls below 3400 rupees, your stop loss will automatically sell it. This keeps you from making rash decisions based on your fear or hope. And step 4, stick to your plan. Step 4 is all about sticking to your plan. Now, I know this is tough sometimes, especially when the market gets really volatile. When a stock moves up quickly or drops unexpectedly, it's tempting to make a change. But remember, discipline means following the plan you set earlier, no matter how exciting or a scary thing get. And step 5, track and learn from your traders. So next up, track and learn from your trades. Every trade is a lesson, whether you win or lose. On Grow, you can track all your trades. Take time to review your wins and losses. Ask yourself what went well and what could I improve. This helps you learn and get better over time. And step 6, practice patience. Step 6 is practice patience. Trading is not about making quick money. It's about being patient and waiting for the right opportunities. If a stock isn't moving as expected, don't rush to make a decision. Wait for your target price or better market conditions. Patience pays off in the long run. And step 7, avoid over trading. And step 7 is avoid over trading. Trading too often is one of the fastest ways to lose money. Stick to your plan and avoid the temptation to trade every day. Sometimes the best decision is to sit out and wait. On Grow, you can keep track of your trades and see if you are trading too much. Less is often more in trading. And finally, step 8, stay informed but don't overanalyze. Keep up with the market, But don't get lost in every single price of news. Grow provides helpful news and insights, but remember, your plan is more important than any single market update. Use the information to stay sharp, but stick to your strategy. And that's it. If you are following this 8 step, I am confident you will start building the discipline that successful traders have. It takes time, but with practice, you will see the results. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. Drop a comment below and let me know what part of trading you are working on. Let's chat and learn together.